It's the week of April 15th, 2019. I'm Lee Yang with your weekly market commentary. Corn and soybean prices didn't move much after the April WASDE report was released, despite the rise in stockpiles of both grains compared to the March report from the USDA. The negatives in the market continue to be the African swine fever and its impact on corn use, the projected large corn crop from South America, and the trade uncertainty with China. The African swine fever is reshaping global soybean markets. Analysts say getting rid of the disease and rebuilding the herd in a nation that consumes half the world's pork will take 3 to 5 years, curbing demand for soybeans used in feed. South America corn and soybean harvest is in full swing now and cutting into U.S. exports. The country's soy harvest forecast increased by 2 million for a total of 55 million tons, citing high yields. Our chief competitor is once again dealing with a record soybean crop and seeking for markets to sell to over the next 6 months. China is expected to take a large portion of the South American crop, hurting U.S. sales prospects. In the push to secure a trade deal in the next months, U.S. negotiators have pulled back on pressuring China to end industrial subsidies to state-run companies and are focused instead on other areas where they consider demands are more achievable, CNBC reports. Perhaps the only bullish news is the wet weather patterns we've seen. Rain and snow across the Midwest halted corn, soybean, and wheat planting. The precipitation continues to cause flooding and ground saturation, with crop planting falling behind the average. This is causing many people to speculate farmers will shift from corn acres to soybean acres. Follow back up with us on Monday for next week's opening market analysis. Have a great start to your week. If you haven't downloaded our mobile app, go to your App Store or Google Play and search for the Tyson LGS mobile app, where you can sell and manage your grain anytime, anywhere.